Kia ora, I'm Tamar and we're here with Zak.
Hi.
Hi. We're going to be making a beautiful Hainanese flatfish today.
Yum. We've got fire, we've got a little hibachi, we're going to grill it, sear it, make it yum, impart some smoke flavour,
Nice.
burn it on fire.
Love that. And so we've got a little sole.
Little lemon sole.
Little lemon sole.
Check out this little guy.
It's beautiful. I love a flatfish.
These flatfish, you've got to scale though, they're not like your yellow belly flounder or your dabs.
Yeah.
These are a bit more robust, a bit more flesh on them, so they take a little bit longer to cook, but they also have scales.
Right, yeah, but you've descaled that for us already.
Yep, what are you going to do with this?
Well, I think we're just going to throw it on the fire very simply, and then we're going to serve it up with some accompaniments.
Should we burn it?
Let's burn it. All right. So you're going roof first. Nice.
Roof first, we'll get a bit of fire on it.
Oh, that smells great already.
Yum.
Classic side dishes for your Hainanese. So we've got rice here that's been cooked in chicken stock, ginger and garlic. So just chuck it in the rice cooker like you normally would, but instead of adding water, you just add the same amount of chicken stock. You could go whole hog and have onions or all sorts of other stuff in there. I would cook onions off first.
Yeah.
But
if you're
ginger
just
and
putting
garlic,
your aromatics in,
yeah,
don't need to worry about it.
Absolutely, it's all good.
Oh, so easy. This is like your family meal. So you've got your mum, your dad, your brother, your cousin, your sister, your auntie, the neighbour down the street. They're all around for dinner. This is obviously a bit bigger fish possibly. You don't have to use a flatfish, but this is a nice easy one. This is a real share meal.
Absolutely, great share meal. We've got these two sauces, so we've got this ginger and spring onion, and that's just been covered in some hot oil, bit of plain oil, bit of sesame oil, and that stuff's just delightful. And then we've got our red chili sauce here, which is super simple. Chili, garlic, and then a bit of lime and some chicken stock. And both of these sauces will last ages in your fridge, so you can just make a big bunch of them.
Oh, sweet. So nice and easy.
Yeah, and then you can keep them for ages. So you can just have it in your fridge in a container for 2 to 3 weeks, and they're all good.
Oh, so you do do the accompaniments once and then have the dish, multiple times as you go.
Absolutely. So I'll just have this in the fridge, and this spring onion thing you can put on everything, and it's just so good.
And this is coming along nicely here. We're almost cooked on top. Let's get that bottom bit of cook there.
So it really doesn't take long to cook a flatfish, eh?
No, it's quick, easy. We've got a few of his little finnies that have joined us on top here.
Nice.
But we're a couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes. I'm just going to chuck, not even that tidily. Bit of cucumber around the side. The fresh cucumber goes really nice with the rich flavour of the rice because it's been cooked in chicken stock. It's
I think this little guy's almost done.
Beautiful.
I've taken his lid off, but that's okay.
Well, saves us the hassle of doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful. Want to lay them on?
Bring them on the top here.
Gorgeous. Love it. So I've just saved a little bit of the sauce to the side so we can dress the top.
Oh, yum. Looks so good.
And honestly, this chili and garlic stuff and with the ginger and onion, it's just for in the autumn when you kind of need to build up your immune system and all of that. It's great.
Where's our forks?
Oh, we're going to need several forks or hands.
Forks, hands, all the good things.
Oh, that's awesome.
That looks so good.
Oh, that does look nice. All right. Flatfish is my favourite whole fish.
After you.
You say as you jump in first. Oh, that fish is so nice. Really delicate, eh?
It's so delicate. Yum.
But it doesn't get taken over by the sauce at all.
Cheers, Tamar.
Nice. That was so quick.
Thank you. Yum.